If you want to add another fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, make sure that you have your first fingerprint already enabled. Open up your settings. Now you have to scroll down to your lock screen and AOD section, tap on your screen lock and biometrics, enter your PIN, press continue, press on your fingerprints, find add fingerprint, tap plus, register, and simply repeat the steps as you did for adding up a first fingerprint. So put your finger in the highlighted circle, wait for it to be fully enabled, right? And keep on until you reach 100%. Alright, so once again, you can add up another one or press done. And now if we're gonna try and unlock our phone, it works greatly. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.